Rafael Lopez here. I want to show you today an app that I just built using Sinatra. Um, this was a project for the Flatiron School where I was supposed to practice the MVC framework, which is basically an acronym for Model, View, and Controllers. It's basically a way to work with different routes in Sinatra, but I can talk about that a little bit later. Um, Let me show you how the app looks like. So I wanted to build, well, I used to serve a lot, and I remember I also used to fix surfboards a lot. So I remember having like a ton of different boards in my place or in my shop, and sometimes I didn't even know what boards I had. So I just wanted to create something fun, and I built a surfboard Quiver app. It's just a way, an application that allows you to, I don't know, to keep organized the surfboards that you have. Um, so yeah, let's get it. So we have a sign up and login. You can sign up. It's gonna take a little while because they're gonna change super slow. So the first thing you're gonna do is gonna ask you for your name. Let's do, I don't know, Tom. Let's do Tom, and let's do Carol. And let's do email Tom at, I don't know, surf.com or whatever. And weird password here. Let's sign up. So you've already had an account. You could just log in, but we're creating a new one. It's taking forever. So right now you don't have any board, right? But you once you have a few of them, you're gonna see your boards here. But because you don't have any boards, you can add them. Let's say I'm a big fan of Lost Surfboards, and the shaper is Map Biolos. Oh, that's the shaper. Let's do. I like high performance short boards, so let's do, I don't know, like a 6-1 or whatever. Let's do something thin. I don't know, like something like 18.5 thickness. 214 tail. Let's do squash and type of sword. Let's do small to chest high. So now we're gonna create the surfboard. It's loading. Boom, and there's the board. Your surfboard was successfully added to the Quiver. It knows your name dynamically. Hi Tom, because we're logged in. This is a cool lost surfboard right here in your Quiver because you're Tom. You have the specs. Now you can edit the board if you want. You can create a new one. You can go to the index or you can delete the board. But let's edit just for this, just for the fun of it. Let's say we want to change the thickness. And the thickness, let's do, I don't know, 3/4. Save your edit. The board was edit. Now let's go and create a new one. Let's do Channel Island. I know, Island. Sorry, this time. Almeric is a shaper. Let's do whatever. Let's go big now. Uh, Thickness, I don't know, 2.5. Tail, pintail, because this is for big surf, and this is gonna be double overhead. Create surfboard. And let's go to the index. You created the board, back to index. So these are a bunch of people that have boards. Click, and you can click on any server to check out their performance specs. So for example, if you go, we are here. Tom Carroll is the current user, but let's go to Howard server. So you're able to actually click on that board to check out the specs. And it is greeting you, hi Tom, right? Because Tom is a current user, but it's saying this is a cool channel island support, right here. But the program knows dynamically who is the owner of this actual board. So it's not Tom, it's Howard. Okay, you can go back to the index. Let's say you wanna delete one of your boards. Go and go to your board. Let's delete it. Delete your board. So I'm basically using what is called your board was deleted. So I'm using what is called CRUD, which is an acronym for create, read, update, and destroy. And that's basically what I'm doing. So as you can see, I was able to create a board. I was able to edit a board, which is the update using a patch, what is called patch protocol. I was able to destroy or delete or destroy the board. I've been able to navigate from different views, from different pages, using different types of HTTP requests, using get and post. And yeah, now I'm just gonna. Um, you can add more boards here and all, but let's just sign out because that's it. And that's it. It takes you to the homepage basically. Cool.